Now let's check out our last example. This one is my favorite. It looks like so much fun, right, students? Wow, we got one that's fun here. That's all right. I'm never going to let math get me down. It's a fun challenge that I accept. So let's take a look at this multi-step inequality. Well, we're going to solve this the same way that we would have an equation, so it's not too much different. So I am going to rewrite this over on this side. I have negative 98 is less than negative 3b minus 5 times the quantity 4 plus 2b, close parentheses. So if that inequality symbol is scaring you or giving you nightmares, almost pretend like it's an equal sign just for the moment when you're solving it. But pay attention to the rules as well. So remember, just like in the warm-up, our very first step is we're going to want to eliminate parentheses by using the distributive property. And I can see that I have negative 5 times the quantity 4 plus 2b. So I'm going to distribute that negative 5 to all the terms that are inside the parentheses. So I'm going to have negative 5 times 4 and then negative 5 times 2b. That is going to give me negative 20 minus 10b. Yay! So now I'm going to bring down the rest of the inequality that I haven't worked with. So this negative 3b is going to come down. I'm going to bring down this. Oh, sorry. I don't know what I was thinking. That is not. Why did I put that? I must really want that to be equal to. There we go. I'm going to bring down that negative 98. All right. Now, let's go ahead and simplify this side with the like terms, my CLT again. Here I have a negative 3b and a negative 10b. So when I combine those, I'm going to get a negative 13b. Now I can bring down the rest of, that's the problem that I did not work with. Also, I'm going to bring down that inequality symbol, and I'm going to bring down that negative 98. Okay, so now I'm going to want to, remember, same thing. I want to make sure that I have all my constants on one side and all my variables on the other. So I'm going to move this negative 20 by adding 20 to both sides. Now negative 98 and a positive 20, recall you're going to subtract, right? So then here you're going to get negative 78. Bring down that inequality symbol. Bring down that negative 13b. Now I'm going to divide both sides by negative 13. That eliminates. So now, watch out, look at what I just did. Sorry, my voice just cracked. I divided both sides by a negative. Remember, the rule told us that every time you multiply or divide by a negative, you got to flip it, flip it, flip it. You got to flip that sign, right? So now this inequality symbol is going to flip in the other direction. So now this is going to become, now you see how it's going to that direction. Now I'm going to go ahead and flip it in this direction. And a negative divided by a negative does give me a positive. So I'm going to divide 78 divided by 13. And that's going to give me positive 6, right? And that's my solution. So that means B is less than 6, or 6 is greater than B, right? But since we're thinking about the solutions for B, I know that my solution set is going to be all values that are less than 6. So I'm going to locate 6 on my number line, which is right here. And I know that it's going to be an open circle because 6 is not included. And values that are less than 6 are going to be to my left. Oops. And that's it. That is how you solve multi-step linear inequalities.